Here we go. We're getting down with the alphabet flow. I think you're gonna like it. It'll make you smile. Today, we're gonna do this animal style. A is for alligator. B is for bear. C is for cat. D is for donkey. E is for elephant. F is for flamingo. G is for giraffe. H is for hippo. I is for iguana. J is for jaguar. K is for kangaroo. L is for lion. M is for macaw. N is for newt. O is for ostrich. P is for pig. Q is for quail. R is for rhino. S is for sheep. T is for tiger. U is for Uriel. V is for wolf. W is for wolf. X is for X-ray tetra. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra. I hope you enjoyed our animal alphabet. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Hello, please check out the Borden Bot Patreon page for extras. You will certainly appreciate the extra amazing content they provide. Also, check out this amazing giveaway if you like quality mermaid tales. See you next time.